So, Scott and I, being the kind brothers we were, every time we would see her, we'd go, Phil! So, sure enough, Christmas Eve, that's how she did it. She did it in her way, and she did it very fine. And nobody said anything because we knew that if she got filled with payout, that was great.
But 60 years later, we're still doing it.
We're still doing it. I wish I could have been there. That's for Christmas.
When baby Jesus lay upon a manger,
filled with hay. The other thing that I thought that, and many of Nancy's children have seen this, but I'm sure that the grandchildren, if you have, it's been a long time ago. It's been a long time since we got together with a lot of the grandchildren. There's even new grandchildren. So I thought if it was all right with you, I know it would be all right with Nancy because...
Was he going to do the chicken?
Because she loved it. Anyway.
She loved it.
She did. She's always asking me.
I was a little boy. What?
Get out your cameras.
When I was a little boy, I lived on a chicken farm. And every day I'd go out there and I would spread chicken feed for them and I'd hear them. Pretty soon I could tell that they were communicating with each other. And then I could hear a rhythm. And they could sing. They're communicating and singing. And so I asked one of them one day, well, teach me what you're doing. So this is how they taught me to do In the Mood. By the way, I don't have the balance I used to have, so if I fall over. Roll my pants up.
Roll his pants up.
He used to always roll his pants up.
I've always been the choreographer, so he said, roll my He's the real talent, I'm just the shill. Okay. For some reason, it's familiar, so I think I have.
I'm sure it'll come back to you.
Oh, see? But my favorite was this nice, heavy hen. And most of young people don't know Kate Smith. Kate Smith was a big woman, and she was famous for doing God Bless America. So one day I asked this hen to teach me God Bless America, so she did.
He's rolled up his pants before, hasn't he? Rolled his pants? Yes, he
never has.
I can't eat fire in the church because they don't allow me. But I do eat fire, and